Welcome to PremiumSelectSupplies.com. We have a brand new knife line. This is a budget knife with great quality from great designers. This is the new Eikonic Fairwind folding pocket knife. This is in safety orange, but before I get into the details, make sure to subscribe to our channel right now. That's going to alert you to other new knives or everyday carry products that we currently keep in stock. And new products that we get in like this knife. We also provide discount codes, specials, and how-to videos. So the Fairwind was designed out of Brooklyn, New York. The blade is made from premium D2 steel. It measures almost 2 3/4 inches long. The handle is available in 3 colors, and it's made from G10 material. It is hand finished and has a deep carry pocket clip, as you can see here. And these include ceramic ball bearings and has great action right out of the box, as you can see here. So these cost $74.99 with free shipping at PremiumSelectSupplies.com. Again, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video right now with your friends and family. Thank you.